The word drug to most people means an illegal substance commonly found on the streets, such as heroin, crack, etc., or medical drugs. This is because most people aren't aware or don't think about just how harmful large amounts of alcohol can be. Alcohol can affect a person's body, mind, and spirit. If you constantly abuse it, alcohol can be even worse for one than taking illegal drugs. Responsible drink can destroy a person's life, as well as the lives of those around them. When people become both physically and psychologically addicted to alcohol, they become an alcoholic and suffer from a disease called alcoholism. Alcoholism is a diseased condition of the system brought about by the continued use of alcoholic liquors. Former alcoholics have described alcoholism as a mental dependence and physical allergy. Alcoholism somehow affects us all through a parent, sibling, friend, or even personal encounters with a stranger. In fact, alcoholics may become angry and argumentative, quiet and withdrawn, or depressed. They suffer from symptoms such as being anxious, sad, tense, and confused. Then they escape through their drinking. Alcohol and alcoholism plays a major role in our society, which should be recognized and dealt with. Alcoholism has also been shown to be somewhat genetic in the fact that about 70 to 80% of alcoholics have a close family member who is also an alcoholic. Many times alcoholism starts during a person's high school and college years. However, some teenagers and young adults frequently abuse alcohol and never think about the physical, mental, and emotional toll that the alcohol can have a person's life. Alcoholism usually begins with social drinking, then a person will find excuse to drink more often. When alcohol is made more readily available to an individual, such as in a college environment, it increases the risk that person will drink excessively. The alcoholic are much higher from a person who drinks moderately. Most of alcoholics start out by building up a tolerance, causing them to drink higher amounts of alcohol to get the same effect. This tolerance is the starting point of an alcoholic's dependence and causes many problems to control the individual's life and cause their best interests and the person's priorities become jumbled. Furthermore, alcohol can have many physical effects on a person's body. Vital internal organs and systems can be severely damaged and even shut down when too much alcohol is consumed. The prolonged use of large amounts of alcohol with an inadequate diet may cause serious liver damage, such as cirrhosis of the liver. Cirrhosis is a disease characterized by diffuse scarring of the liver. It has been estimated that 10% of all alcoholic persons develop cirrhosis. The central nervous system can also be permanently damaged, causing a person to possibly blink out, hallucinate, and experience tremors. The term blackout does not mean loss of consciousness, but is referred to as the lost hour, with the intoxicated person remembering nothing the next day. If a person experiences blackouts, then they are also likely to get alcohol poisoning, and other possibly life-threatening condition. The withdrawal Symptoms that a severe alcoholic can experience are sometimes compared to the same withdrawals as a heroin addict, yet people still do not consider alcohol to be a drug. Drinking during pregnancy can cause serious damage to an unborn child. An unborn child of an alcoholic may develop mental or physical retardation during pregnancy. Some babies are born with fetal alcohol syndrome, a serious lifelong condition. You know how much alcohol is affecting your life after you ask yourself the question, how important is alcohol to you? Clearly, alcoholism is a serious matter that is too often overlooked. Alcohol is the most abused drug in the United States. Restaurants, sporting events, parties, and other social events all provide alcohol to just about anybody, even if a person is underage. High school and underage college students often find that obtaining alcohol is a not challenging obstacle. Simply being aware of how much an individual consumes and how often that they can consume it can curb alcoholism. Drinking is a large part of most social functions and is accepted by most people, but the problems begin when alcohol is abused. The only guarantee that a person will not become an alcoholic is complete abstinence of alcohol, whereas even the slightest amount of alcohol can lead